Start. Ready, set, go.
Who is it?
No, doctor.
Hi, my name is Dr. Timothy.
Christine.
Hey, Christine. So what's today's
I came
situation?
for my results from 2 weeks ago.
Oh, the results from 2 weeks ago?
Yes.
Alright, well, what happened 2 weeks ago?
I just had a few drinks and then it's been constantly and I've been forgetting everything lately.
Well, we have the results here. First, let's talk about your brain, how alcohol affects your brain. Here we have the frontal lobe.
What is that?
The frontal lobe? The frontal lobe controls your thinking and judgment, and with alcohol and play, your judgment is weakened, meaning you do decisions that you might not want to do regularly. And it's part of your cerebrum, which is your largest part of your brain, and it controls thinking. Next, we have the parental lobe. Your parental lobe is taste, touch, so it's basically senses of all types. Next is the occipital lobe. What your occipital lobe is vision. Once you drink, your vision becomes a bit blurry, so it's harder to see.
So that's not like
The back part of your brain is called the cerebellum. It's back here, and it controls balance, muscle coordination, and when you drink alcohol, you become unbalanced and begin to.
So that's why I usually fall.
When you're drunk,
And I
yes,
can barely walk.
that's true. When you're drunk, you tend to fall down. You also have the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is hearing. Sometimes it's harder to hear when you're drunk.
Yes, I feel like people are talking like distance, far away.
That's exactly why. We also have the reason why you can't really remember, since it affects your temporal lobe, which is info memory. Well, part of that is hippocampus, which makes short-term memory into long-term memory. When alcohol happens, it slows that reaction, and everything's lost. It's all short-term. You can't really process it and you put it in your brain. Well, that's pretty much all we have right now.
So how can I prevent this, my memories going away? What can I do to?
What you can do is probably stop drinking, or limit yourself when drinking to the point you can start getting drunk. You can also have maybe a friend that can take care of you, so none of that happens, so you won't fall or trip. And probably she can tell you what you did. Is there anything else you want to talk about,
That's pretty
Christine?
much it.
Alright, well, you're welcome.
Thank you.